Fernando, my goodness, you abandoned me. I will cry so much. I don't believe it. Why? Why? Oh, why? Please, don't abandon me again. I'm just joking. But I'm very, very sad that you didn't come. I wanted to talk with you about your trip. I wanted to hear about Miami, things like that. What did you do? Where did you go? I don't know. So I want to hear. Next class, we will talk. Okay? Okay, very nice. So my friends, I will send a video talking about vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. And I will also send homework for you guys, okay? So you do the homework and we will talk next class, okay? Okay, we will review vowel sounds. I don't know if you remember, but we have talked about vowel sounds before. We have done the vowel sound. I've showed you the document and I think I've given you the document, but we will look at it a little different way, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's start. So we will talk about short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. They aren't called short because they are short. They are called short because the short vowel sound goes down. For example, ah, eh, ah, they all go down, the sounds. That's why they're called short. And the long vowel sounds aren't long. They just go up. For example, A, E, I, O, and U, or U, or U. Okay? They all go up. So, short vowel sounds go down, long vowel sounds go up. Let's start. The first one, A. The short vowel A says A. And we will see when it says A, when it says A, of course. But that's at the end. For example, apple. Can you repeat? Apple. Okay, again. Very good. Hat. Hat. Again. Very good. Cat. Cat. Very good. Bat. Bat. Lap. Lap. Rat. Rat. Rattle. Battle. Mat. Very good, very good. Just repeat these sometimes and we will practice them next class, okay? Let's go. The E says eh. For example, red, red, bed, bed, better, better, get, get, set, wet, pet. Very good. Again, we will practice these next class again, okay? I just want to see if your pronunciation has improved. Next, the I says I. I. For example, hit, hit. Very good. Little, little. Bitter, bitter, sick, Sick. Very good. Big. Not big. Big. Good. It. Kick. Kick. Is. And in. Again. Is. In. Very good. Remember the I, it rarely says E in English. Normally it says I or I, but we will see this after, okay? I, very nice. The O says ah. Very good. The O says ah. For example, hot, hot, cop, cop, lot, lot, top, got, not, not, very good, drop, pop, bottle, very good. O doesn't say all, like hotch, cop, notch. No, it's cop, hot. Okay? The U, I always say, says like the, not like São Paulo, not with your nose, with your voice, like the. For example, hut, duck, duck, suck, up, fun, funny, run, hunt, shut, cup. Very good. I forgot the comma, but it's okay. Very good. So the U says very good. And the A says, and the long vowels. We will now talk about the long vowels. The long vowels say the name of the letter. The A says A, the E says E, the I says I, the O says O, and the U says U or U. But let's start with the A. Hate, late, cake, I love cake, bake, pear, pain, again, pain, not pen, pain, pain, very nice, paper, again, cane, cane, very good, cape, very good, cape. And then he says E, for example, lean, heat, beat, eve, greet, green, bee, clean, pea, and eat. Very good. That's a simple one. Let's go to the next. The I says I, of course, like bite, hike, bike, pride, lie, tie, like, and kite. Perfect. That's another simple one. The O says O. This is simple also. Hoe, home, row, goat, boat, rope, hope, pope, coat, soap, and rose. Very good. It's another easy one. Home, row, very good. Next, the U says you or oo. This one is a difficult one. You just have to memorize when the U says you or oo. We will see some. I will repeat twice these. Cute, cute, very good. Shoot, shoot, flute, flute, fruit, fruit, juice, not juice, just juice. Very good. Tube, tube, rule, rule, music, music, and the last one, cube, cube. Perfect. Very, very good. And my last slide is just an explanation. Just remember, if there are two vowels, for example, let's go back here. Let me go back to the... If there are two vowels, for example, PP or TT or TT or TT, if there are, I'm sorry, not TT, AE, AE, or EE, but what you have to remember is there can only be one vowel in between both of them. If there is only one vowel in between them, for example, one consonant in between, for example, ite or hike, there's only one K, one T, one K, one D, okay? If there is only one consonant in between, or zero consonants, the second vowel makes the first vowel long. So if there are two vowels, only one consonant in between, or zero consonants, the second vowel makes the first vowel long. Okay? Very good. If you didn't understand, just send me an email and I will try to help you, or I can help you next class, okay? But I will send you an exercise for you to do. Let me show you the exercise very fast here. Here we go. All you have to do is write short or long after the words according to the sounds, okay? Does this say snack or snake? Mean or man? Fit or fight? Rock or rogue? Written or written? Just write what they say. Just write short or long after the word, okay? Great! I hope to see you guys next week. Bye!